The Los Angeles Dodgers stave off elimination in a thrilling Game 4 in the NLDS, beating the Washington Nationals 6-5 to force a Game 5. Coming into the game at Dodger Stadium, LA trailed Washington in the series 2-1. In a do-or-die situation, the Dodgers opted to bring back pitcher Clayton Kershaw on 3 days rest. The ace had 11 strikeouts before leaving at the top of the 7th inning, with 3 men on base and his team winning 5-2. That quickly changed thanks in part to Daniel Murphy's 2-run single, and the game was tied at 5 at the end of the inning. However, this one has a Hollywood ending for LA, with Chase Utley hitting an RBI single in the bottom of the 8th. They play Thursday at Nationals Park to decide who advances.